is in need of a little bit of redecorating? I am. So we are constantly redecorating around here. But today we are going to redo the staircase. So I needed a bunch of new frames so it can escalate up the stairs. We'll be able to put new family pictures and drawings in here of the young ones. But this is the pack that I got. I wanted to be able to show you how it came shipped. It was very nice. It was all sealed together so nothing would break. Inside the pack, there came 5 4x6s, 3 5x7s, and 2 8x10s, which is a great variety to be able to have different sizes pictures, especially going up the stairwell. And I wanted to show you, we bought several of them, so we had a couple packs. So they all come with the nice backing that you just have to pop these off. You can hang them horizontal or vertical, so that is perfect. But the front was sealed with this, and I wondered what this sticker was. So as I opened the backing, I wanted to show you. So we took the backing off, we popped that open. There was a paper on top, which is normal, but then something I hadn't have yet that I was super impressed with. The frame, the glass part of the frame, had a protective seal on both sides. Yes, so it prevented it from scratching as it was being shipped. So you just carefully peel off each side. Now I will say one of the sides was a little bit tricky to get off at first, but once you got the corner of it, it's fine. And you just peel it off and it is super cool. And it is super clear. You can't even see it there. On there with no scratches. Now the wood frame itself is very nice, thick, well done, looks great with the rustic brown look, and that's what we have on the staircase banners, so it matches perfectly. So if you are in need of a little bit of updating or redecorating in your house, this definitely would be one that I would choose.